Hi guys, today in this video I will show you about how you can add Visa gift card on your iPhone. So this card is very easy to add Visa gift card, and this guide will be very helpful for you. So step 1, first of all you will go in your App Store on your iPhone, and now you will choose second step. Step number 2, now you can see right side top of the corner of your App Store. You can see your profile up there, and then after this you can see there are many options over there, and you will tap on just manage payment. And now step 4 and final step, you can see right there add payment option, so tap on it and you can easily add Visa gift card. So that's it, see you in the next video.